I am just playing Rogue Central Railroad, though do have to say, I'm actually not I'm definitely not richest. I'm actually pretty poor compared to some of the other people. I've got many deliveries as well. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to ramp your cash from looking like his cash to not like his cash. Or more his cash. Possibly mine if you only have like 5 minutes. Now this is pretty time inducing. So yeah, better get straight to it. First of all, you need to go to the your base, like whatever color whatever. Also, yeah. Remember this was a thing. I was actually still wondering if it was there. Still wondering if it was still there. Yeah, I remember that you used to be able to go here. I think before, like they had like jobs. Yeah, this is a pretty fun place. Anyway, step 1 is to go to base, wherever that is for you. I know it's actually in the same place, so don't worry about it. Then select a specific consist. Now, of course, you're probably gonna have, you might have more or less cars, so just do this. First of all, figure out what engine you want, then spawn that engine. Personally, I really like the 440. However, let's also have some other engines. Which, here we go. This engine looks nice. Look at that. Then get freight. Get as many log wagons as you can. I can personally get 4. Of course, this varies depending on how far into the game. Then this isn't required. However, I like adding a caboose onto the end. It just makes it feel a lot more. It makes it feel more real. Also, I need to remove that because it's not actually in the wrong place. But you know, I'll just reset. So the order is, first of all, you get your engine, then you get 4 freight wagons, followed by, this isn't required, however I just do it for completeness, get a caboose to add to the end. I would probably go for the Bob Road of the shorter train, have due to its size. I'm just going to go with this one. Then select your engine, if I can. Then connect your consist. There we go. Got the 4 wagons. We go forward. We ramp it up to 11. Okay, you don't know. Wow, that is loud! I may be partially deaf now. Hey, I'm just gonna stop to pop on. Then, sound warning. Yes, extremely loud. Then, you need to get up. You need 25 deliveries to do this, by the way. I should probably mention that you need at least 25 deliveries to grind. Alright, so here I am at the top. I want to turn left at the beginning. Then turn right Then I believe I do already have all of the points set, or the majority at least. I just changed these at the end of a test video, however I know that didn't work due to some sound issues which I've been having with my headphones. Anyway, so then you can just go at whatever speed you like. I just go round this loop, then it'll send a pretty nice, it'll get you some pretty nice cash. So you go through here, you pick up the logs. I don't think you need to go slow because, I mean, like, I was going at 64.2 miles an hour and still I was able to do it. Then you need to go round this loop through the town, past the coal factory. Oh, wait, no, start. Sorry, getting. There was a button there. Don't do anything. Yep, it just blows you up. Maybe I should have. Right, I need to get back to the train. BRB. Here we go. It's actually a very good example of why you should always know your train's number. Because then, if you die, you lose the number, which means it's out of your control. So therefore, if you remember the number, this one's 30, you can actually get the number and actually shut down the train remotely. Anyway, then you need to come in here, because here we'll drop off the wagons for a nice sum of cash, and you'll in turn be able to just repeat that process over and over again. You can go out for 20 minutes, and as you see here, yep, being unloaded, cash is coming in. It just went from 340 to 550. Yeah, so it's a decent way of getting cash. However, of course, you may want to watch an MK or OG Mr. Beast while you do it. So, then you make sure the points are set correctly, which mine are. Then, this isn't necessary, how I always like to do it. Don't upgrade. Shrink down. Then hop in. Yeah, I'm small. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'll just jump in. If you think I'm big, don't tell me. Anyway, this works. Yeah, anyway, I like to shrink, however there was some issues. Now, you just go around the truck. Right, guys, 16 minutes later, I can afford another wagon. Now, of course, it does take a while. You need to check in every 20 minutes, which isn't the best. Hopefully, someday Roblox will have an update telling me you could just leave it running, like Steam. Or mobile games, I don't know. So then, yeah. Aside from that, yeah, that sort of wraps it up for today. Although, maybe I should, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. Right, guys, I'm back. Anyway. What to do. What to use. Ouch. Maybe I should have gone out there. I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna get this. Add to train. I'm gonna get. Hey, wait. Upgrades. +1 max car. Completely forgot about that. Anyway. Let me get back to adding. I'm gonna add Not 1 hopper. Not 2 hoppers. Not 3. Not 4. But yes, 5 hoppers. That's a whole lot of hoppers if you ask me. Look how far forward it's rolling. I might not even have to reverse it. It's enough to add my caboose. It's their aesthetic. They don't actually add anything to the train. Oh, come on. Why can't I can never get enough lucky. Whoa. Okay, that I can do. Now let's go find the coal. Sorry, just thinking about what I was watching. Anyway, yeah, that wraps it up for today. If you have anything to say, please don't bother. And actually, I just wanted to check if you could actually spawn more wagons while the area is empty. So I may try that in between videos. I haven't published in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you want more how-tos on the channel, then, well, feel free to suggest. I'm open for suggestions. Anyway, actually, maybe I should find the route first. So, where is the car? I know where the drop-off is, I'm just not sure where the pick-up is. I think, guys, so here, need to go round right this way, up here, through here, then you need to go up here, then round here, then left leads to just the coal place. Now that goes straight, pass right through, collecting the. Actually, I'm just gonna switch. Just make sure. Come too careful. Go up, round, past this curve, round these curves, up, through, left, here going around, past the side screen place, which for some reason that exists. Down here, I'm gonna leave before something bad happens. Looks like they're playing an extension. It's just camera. Down here, round here. Hang on, wait, was there anything? Okay, no. I just remember this place being so interesting when I first came down here. Go left, then right, autocorrect, then need to go through here. Actually, I think it's actually set the right way. I set it again, and that's set like that. No. I'm gonna test the route out while you guys hopefully look at my playlist. Maybe you're already on the playlist, if so, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.